In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your camera on or off in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're gearing up for an important meeting or simply want to adjust your video settings for privacy, knowing how to effortlessly manage your camera settings is a skill worth having. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience while navigating through Microsoft Teams. First things first, you need to open up Microsoft Teams and sign in. If you've already got it installed, simply locate the Teams icon on your desktop or start menu. If not, you'll want to download the app from the official Microsoft website. Once you have Teams opened, you'll be greeted by the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Teams account to get started. Once signed in, you'll see the Microsoft Teams dashboard. It's here that you can either join an existing meeting or create one of your own. But for our purposes today, let's start a new meeting so we can go through adjusting the camera settings. On your dashboard, look for the Start Meeting button, typically located in your toolbar. Clicking this will initiate a new meeting session. It's important to ensure that you have a proper internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Now that your meeting has started, you should see a series of controls at the bottom of your screen, which is part of the Teams control bar. These controls allow you to manage different aspects of your meeting, including audio and video settings. To manage your camera specifically, locate the camera icon within these controls. It usually resembles a small video camera and is relatively easy to spot. Once you've found the camera icon, clicking it will toggle your video stream on and off. If your camera is currently off, the icon might have a line through it. Simply clicking it will switch your video feed on, allowing others in the meeting to see you. Conversely, if you wish to turn the camera off, clicking the icon again will stop the video feed, giving you more privacy during your call. This is especially handy if you need to quickly adjust your surroundings or want to limit distractions. And there you have it. Turning your camera on or off in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process that can be done with just a few clicks. Remember, effective communication is more than just speaking up. It's also about knowing when to be seen and when to opt for a bit more privacy. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, mastering the art of camera control in Teams will keep your meetings running smoothly and professionally. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.